Today, we're going to read The Three Little Pigs, Cochlear edition, created by Mimi, the Material Science and Electrical Collaboration Group. We are Alexander Ho, Lin Jiang, Jennifer Liu, and Christopher Toad. Once upon a time, there were three little pigs. The first one was called F0, F1, F2. The second one was called Speak, and the third little one was called Cease. These three little pigs lived happily inside the cochlear implant. Oik, oik! And the cochlear implant was made for profound sensorineural hearing loss people. As Dr. Pig explains, hearing involves sounds passing through the outer ear to the inner ear, through the canal, through the ossicles, to the cochlea, which kind of looks like a little snail over here. So within the inner ear lies the cochlea. And sensorineural hearing loss occurs when the receptor hair cells are destroyed or not existing. And here are the hair cells along the cochlear duct. And this is where the hero of the story comes in, the cochlear implant. There are two parts of the implant, the external part and the internal part. And external part captures, processes, and transmits the signals to internal parts. And it starts from the microphone, and then it transmits through here to the transmitter. And the internal part is the mysterious part. It receives and stimulates the auditory nerves in the cochlea. The location of stimulation is very important because it specifies the sensation of a tune. The apex, which is the inner point, is corresponding to the lower frequency, and if we go along this long cochlear duct until we reaches the base, it corresponds to the higher frequencies. However, which little pig resides in the speech processor matter a lot.
The first little pig built his house using 3 different blocks: fundamental frequency F0, first resonant frequency F1, and second resonant frequency F2. These are extracted from a spectral peak envelope by linear predictive coding. Mr. Snake, over here. When this little piggy runs through the vocoder, we hear the second little pig, Speak, has a full name of spectral peak. He works closely with the third little pig, Cis, and his full name is continuous interleaved sampling. They both have the discrete Fourier transform kangaroo. Her name is DFT. And there she is now. Boing, boing, boing. DFT jumps the number of times of existing electrodes. Speak Pig decided that he will only take the top 6 to 10 jumps by kangaroo, while the Cis Pig takes all. When Speak Little Pig is taken to the vocoder, we hear Finally, when Cis Little Pig is taken to the vocoder, we hear All 3 little piggies were determined to keep the big bad wolf away, but none has been completely successful. To keep the big bad wolf away, the pigs need your help. The end.
Run! Run!